Alright everybody, another parcel's arrived. Bigger one this time. So let's get into it. Let's see what we've got. I think I know what this one is. I'm still waiting for the exhaust clamp kit. That'll be a smaller box. I can't see it being a big box like this, and this is not rattly or nothing. So. I know roughly what it is, but I can't remember what else it was over. Oh, I do. I know what this is now. It's a heater control valve. Oh look, all in little separate things. And heater control valve. Oh, isn't that nice how we packaged it all up like that? That's pretty cool. Well done. Well done indeed. So look at these oil filters. Yeah, certainly a lot of tape on there. Where to cut. Okay, 2 oil filters. You don't want that. Let's have a look. The only thing is, he said in one. Oh, put tape on them as well. He said on one of these there's the oil seal was missing. So let's just have a look to see what condition these filters are in, because a lot of them, after a time, go rusty. Could be in a cartridge. He's got his little ring. And there we are. The British Leyland logo on it as well. Don't know if that's focusing in. It's a bit dark today in here actually. But yeah. So we've got some oil filters. So it must be the other one that hasn't got the ring. Take that back down so I can keep the damp out. I've got the British Leyland logo on there as well. I don't even know if this is coming up. It is dark in here. I don't know what it is for today. It's very dark, it's very wet. I should cut it from there, easier. Just cut the tape across there. It's all dark. And there's the heater control valve. Oop, need them out of the way. You wouldn't think a little thing like this would give you so much problem with water leaking out everywhere. I don't know where mine is actually leaking, but all I seen was water running out somewhere along here somewhere. Yeah. One heater control valve. I mean, being it's a proper sealed sort of like unit, I mean, you could, if you're clever enough, you could take it apart and find out why it's leaking. I think it's more leaking around here. Like, I expect the alley's corroded against this like brass. But yeah, so that was that. I think I paid. I can't remember how much this was now. It was £15 for this. Somebody else was selling one for £27. I think the oil filters, the 2 of them, cost me £6. And just the postage on top, which I think was £4, something like that. I can't remember exactly. They worked out easier just to buy a little job lot of stuff off of them, keep it in. Well, I needed the oil filters to keep it in anyway. So some stuff is coming up reasonably priced on eBay, and then you get other stuff at ridiculous money, and then you wonder why it's sat on eBay for like, well, years actually. So that's that. So that's arrived. So what am I waiting for now? I am waiting for, because this was a van man what delivered this, so I'm waiting for my regular postie. Hopefully he will come and give me my new brushes for the Dynamo, because that's what I'm waiting for, and the exhaust clamp kit, which should come in a box probably about no bigger than that really. And what else did I? Oh, I ordered an air filter yesterday, a performance air filter I ordered this time. I know a lot of you are probably thinking, oh, what'd you order one of them for? That's not a standard, it's not original. I ordered it because it was at reasonable money and it's easier just to clean all the time instead of using, you know, your proper one, your original one. So I just bought this performance one. I mean, it was cheap. I mean, I think it was £27, so I just bought it, and it was originally 35 quid and the guy accepted £27, so I bought that. So now I'm waiting for that to turn up now, so that'll be that. So I shall get this video on hopefully today. Yeah, so I'd also like to say a big thank you to everybody who subscribed. All your support on this MAXI is brilliant. A lot of you are probably thinking, why am I filming like unwrapping parcels? I'm just showing you the stuff I bought for the car to try and get the work done as quickly as we can, but it's going to be a bit of a slow process at the moment with lockdown and whatnot, so parcels are going to be slow arriving. But I just wanted to share, you know, just this with you really, just to let you know we're getting things for the car. It's not just sat out there doing nothing. Well, it is at the moment because it's pouring down rain. And I had 2 lovely dry days and I was waiting for my bits and pieces to turn up, but unfortunately it didn't, so I could have got the Dynamo done then. So now I got to wait for the weather to change again. And what else? Oh, just a big super duper thank you to everybody on Facebook as well. I am on Instagram if you want to get in touch with me on Instagram, but I'm very rarely on there. I only go on it now and then. So if you want to get in touch with me properly, you can get in touch with me through Facebook. It's a lot better. Wins Classic Cars. Get in touch with me through there if you want to. You can join my site. It's not just all Maxes, it's all sorts of cars, from anything from a Ford to American cars, all sorts. So you're welcome to join, look at the pictures and stuff like that. It's free, you ain't got to pay. Just hit that button like and that's it. And if you're like to support me on this MAXI build on YouTube, then please comment, subscribe, put a thumb up, not the ones going down. I don't see the point of that. If you put a thumb down, then just move on, don't watch my video. Just a thumbs up please, and the comments and everything like that. And I just looked on YouTube and there's nobody really doing a MAXI. I can't see anybody doing a MAXI up at the moment, so I'm just trying to share something with you. So there we go. Anyway, big thank you to everybody subscribed. Thank you, and I'll look forward to reading your comments and stuff like that. So bye bye for now. Okay everybody, right, another parcel has arrived. This is the one I've been waiting for. This should be the brushes turned up. Exhaust clamp kit hasn't arrived, so I'm going to have to message the chap I spent and find out what's happened. Is there a receipt? No. So there's our little brushes. Big bag for a little item. and I'm gonna start filming a bit later on, cleaning up and putting this together, so then we can get the dynamo fitted on the car. So that's 2 parcels arrived today. This is the regular postman, so I'm just waiting now for the exhaust clamp kit, and the air filter won't be here until sometime in the next couple of days. What I would like to say is 3 videos I've put on at the moment I've had a thumb down. If you're going to put thumbs down, please explain to yourself in the comments why you're putting a thumb down. Don't just put a thumb down and then just think, oh, I can't bother watch anymore. Explain why you put a thumb down. I got a funny feeling I know who it is who's putting the thumb down all the time. And it's just, I think it's just done out of spite. I mean, I'm not the only one. There's lots of people who I know are getting thumbs down on things. But it'd be nice if you was to comment down below why you're putting a thumb, you know, why you're putting a thumb down, or why you don't like the video or something like that, and then I can correct it or change something else around, or well, I don't know, go from there really with your comments. But it'd be nice if you was to comment instead of just putting a thumb down. Like I said, I'm not the only person who's had these thumbs down. There've also been a couple of people who've commented, and YouTube had taken the comment off straight away. And it's all to do with sexual stuff. This site is basically just for me restoring my cars, and for you lot to watch, and I don't ask for any anything from any of you. All I ask for is just your thumbs up, your support on the car, subscribe to the channel and stuff like that. I don't ask for, I'm not begging for money, I'm not begging for you to look up and say sponsor me and what this. I'm not, you know, I'm not interested in any of that for the moment. I mean, maybe later on, maybe, but you know, when things like this happens, it makes you wonder, is it worth carrying on doing all these videos? I mean, I'm doing it basically for myself, really, so I can keep a diary. But I like to share it with all of you, like other people who have subscribed to the channel. But I mean, if you're gonna, whoever it is who's being spiteful and keeps putting the thumb down and can't be bothered to leave a comment to say why he's put a thumb down, I think that's very rude of you. Because the video, I just loaded up a video now and it's only been on, well, I think half an hour has been on, and straight away there's a thumb down on it. So this video will be going on. This is just the 2 parcels, this parcel and the parcel I opened earlier. This video will be going on as well straight away today as well. So that's the reasons why I'm like, you know, a bit upset really, a bit fed up, because it does bring you down. I mean, all I'm trying to do is just trying to do some videos just to give you some entertainment, because like I said, there's nothing ever on TV properly today. If not, it's always something you've already seen on TV, or unless you want to sit there and watch EastEnders and Coronation Street and Emmerdale Bloody Farm, that's up to you. But all I'm trying to do is just trying to bring something to YouTube. And I've been, like I said, I've been in the motor trade for years. I've bought, sold, owned lots of cars, and in the past, I think it's just over a year now, I've been doing the YouTube videos, and I've had thumbs down on a few videos, but at the moment it just seems to be somebody doing it out of spite who's putting the thumb down on 3 videos I've just put on with thumbs down straight away. And I'm not being funny, I mean, I got thumbs up and I got 1 person who just puts a thumb down. It just doesn't seem right. It just makes you feel, well, it makes you feel crap really. It makes you feel like you know you're doing something wrong. So I mean, I'd rather somebody comment and say what I'm doing wrong instead of just stuck there putting a thumb down, because I mean, it takes time to do these videos. You know, it's not easy. We're on lockdown. I'm waiting for parts to arrive. It's just one of those things, I suppose. I don't know. But it just brings you down. It brings you on a downer. And anyway, this video is going on in the next half hour at the most, and then see what happens. So I'm hoping whoever it is who's doing it will either comment and say why he's doing it, or you're just going to be carry on being a chicken shit and keep putting the thumb down. So, like I said, I'm not the only one. There's loads of other people out there as well who gets the thumbs down. But when it's just one thumb down on nearly 3 videos, it just seems a bit, why I got one thumb down but everybody else likes it. So it just gives you an upset for the rest of the day. I mean, it is a struggle at the moment with everything to try and get this car done at the moment. I mean, the weather's crap. It's pouring down rain at the moment, so that's another day I can't do nothing apart from just show you what I've managed to buy for the car. So anyway, like I said, please, you know, if you like the video, please just carry on liking them and subscribing with other people. Like I said, I did say before, if you want to see a really cool car which belongs to a friend of mine, which has been in TV programs and whatnot, please subscribe, you know, get as many people to subscribe as possible, because I'm not going to go up and film it if with just, like, say 200 subscribers, because it just won't be worth my while. I want as many subscribers as possible to go up and film it for you. You know, I'm not begging for money. I don't want petrol money to go up there and do it or anything like that. I'm just, you know, just trying to bring something out there for you lot. But I mean, the car he got is a very special car. He's a good friend of mine, and he's let me, you know, said if you want to come and film the car, come and film it. But at the moment it's going through some restoration work, but with lockdown and whatnot, it's getting it, you know, it's being slower being done. So as soon as the car is done, I can go and film it straight away, and you'll see it first on YouTube before it even gets featured in any magazines or anything like that. So if you want to see the car, get as many people as you can to subscribe to my channel, and I will take the time out and go up and film the car for you. And it's a good bit of kit, you know. It's not, you know, the last car he had, which was using a TV program, was the Professionals Capri, and that was Ray Doyle's Gold Capri. So if you want to see something else special, then get as many people to subscribe to my channel, if you would please. It'd be brilliant. It'd mean a lot to me. And like I said, big thank you to everybody who's commenting and supporting me on this MAXI build. You know, and thank you to everybody on Facebook, on the MAXI site, who's commenting and, you know, giving me support on that site, you know, on the for these videos to go on and stuff like that. So thank you very much to all you lot as well. Like, you know, it's it means a lot to me. Anyway, further ado, I'm gonna sign off, get this video on. I don't think any more parcels are going to arrive today. It's only an exhaust clamp kit anyway. I'm waiting for an air filter, so we'll wait and see what happens the next time round. Anyway, big thank you, thumbs up, bye bye for now.